In this video, I will show you how to fix this site can't be reached error in Google Chrome. The first step is check your internet connection. Restart your Wi-Fi router or switch to mobile data. Try opening another website to see if the issue persists. The second step is to restart your Chrome and your device. Close and reopen Chrome. Restart your computer or mobile device. If it also doesn't help, go to Chrome settings, then privacy and security, then clear browsing data. Select cached image and files and cookies, then tap clear data. If it also doesn't help, open command prompt as administrator and type ipconfig space flush DNS, then restart your device after running the command. Now go to network settings, then change adapter options. Set the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. Save and restart your connection. If it also doesn't help, open Chrome, then go to extensions and disable unnecessary add-ons. Restart Chrome and check if the issue is resolved. If it also doesn't help, go to Chrome settings, go to Advanced tab, then click Reset and Cleanup. Tap Restore settings to their original defaults and confirm. That's it. Now you know how to fix this site can't be reached error in Google Chrome. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.